Welcome back to Tool House Rock Studio for another quick take with Cate. Today we get our Harry Potter on with the word that. It's Christmas morning at Hogwarts when Harry opens a mysterious parcel at the foot of his bed. Inside is something fluid and silvery gray. It's an invisibility cloak, Ron Weasley informs him. Throw it over yourself and you become invisible, just like a word hidden in this sentence twice. The word that. Do you see it? Aunt Petunia often said Dudley looked like a baby angel. Harry often said Dudley looked like a pig in a wig. Ah, here are the hidden that's. Aunt Petunia often said that Dudley looked like a baby angel. Harry often said that Dudley looked like a pig in a wig. So which way did J.K. Rowling write it? Is one way right and one way wrong? One task of an editor is to delete unnecessary words. Possibly the most hunted word by eager editors is the word that. Brian A. Garner writes, "Those who rapidly delete that seem to be overreacting to those who use it excessively." So how do we know when to leave it in and when to take it out? Here's the magic trick that will help you decide. When a sentence could possibly be misread without the that, leave it in. If there's no possibility of misreading, go ahead and take it out. Consider the possible misreading of this sentence. Harry found the invisibility cloak, which he dropped, felt like water. We need the word that in this sentence. Without that, you might read the sentence like this. Harry found the invisibility cloak, which he dropped. If you do opt to take that out, it's still there. As J.K. Rowling tells us, when Harry tries to disappear down a narrow corridor, the cloak didn't stop him from being solid. Oh, and in our original sentence about Dudley, J.K. Rowling kept the that's in. With that, Quick Takes with Cate is ducking under the invisibility cloak too. But don't worry, you've got 24 episodes to watch and rewatch with bonus information on the website. And Cate is still here to take questions and offer writing advice. She might be invisible for a while, but she's still solid. And I wouldn't be surprised if she reappears. As always, thanks for coming along. For the rest of the story, go to CateTouryan.com/quicktakes.